Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I'm excited because today we're unboxing an exciting new product, the Logitech G Pro X TKL LIGHTSPEED keyboard. The TKL stands for tenkeyless. I'm excited for this one because this is already my favorite keyboard that we've released in a long time. Up to 50 hours of battery per charge, 1 millisecond report rate, and an excellent upgrade we'll get into later. So let's get into it. The first thing we're greeted with when we open the box is this super nice case. We'll remove that and let's take a quick look at the quick start guide that's printed under the lid of the box. This is handy information if this is your first time setting up a LIGHTSPEED keyboard. Let's get this box out of the way and open this case. Here we have some documentation, which we'll set aside. And under that, we have the keyboard itself nicely wrapped to keep it clean during transit. We'll remove that. The Pro X TKL comes with 3 types of switches: clicky, linear, and tactile. This particular keyboard is the clicky, but I honestly like all 3 profiles. It's nice and weighty, functionally no deck flex, and feels like an absolute tank. Under that, we have the LIGHTSPEED dongle packaged in its extender, and we also have a USB to USB-C charge cable. This is the upgrade I was talking about earlier. The Pro X TKL features USB-C. We'll leave all of that in the case. On the top here, we have buttons for selecting connection method, supporting LIGHTSPEED and Bluetooth, and the keyboard can also operate as a wired keyboard. This game mode button disables the Windows key so you don't accidentally hit it, exiting the game. We've all done this once or twice. It can also disable other keys that you define in G-Hub. You have the backlight button, as well as a row of media keys and a volume wheel. These function keys also act as profile keys for 3 assignable profiles. The keys themselves are LightSync RGB and are individually addressable, with several presets and animated profiles available in G-Hub. This is an absolute powerhouse of a keyboard, and I'm glad you were able to check it out with me. That's all the time I have for today. Again, be sure to check out our LIGHTSPEED keyboard connection video, and if you have any concerns about your product, please reach out to us at our support site. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.